So today we are in the process of doing a roof tune-up on a old farmhouse here in the middle of the country. And we got a number of wind damaged shingles that we are going to repair. And we're in the process of making a nice little tune-up here prior to our roof conditioning treatment. So we're loosening up the shingles so that we can cut out the bad one and tuck in the good shingles. Caulk that in place and nail it in place before we do the spray treatment. You can see that we're fully harnessed off for safety. Quite the steep roof we have here, 3 stories back there. What else? These asphalt shingles over time, they start to get brittle and they dry out. And when the wind comes, the seal tab under each shingle, show them what the seal tab is on the shingle there. It's that black line. So that's a sun activated glue strip. All these shingles have it, and over time they start to dry out, and then you get the wind damage. So when we apply our conditioning treatment later, we're going to help reactivate all those seal strips so they stay glued down. So hope you appreciate the video educational. It's 2024, so I think we're going to start doing a lot more of these videos and seeing how we can help people in the local community. Madison, Wisconsin, Lake Geneva, Rockford. My name is Eddie Carell, owner-operator of Multi-Main. I specialize in power washing, gutter cleaning, roof tune-up repairs, and Maxx Rejuvenation services. Thank you so much.